Well, hey, here I am again. Do you remember when I got this cup for myself, this mug? Oh, it makes me so happy. I love this painting of the birds. Well, let me show you what came in the mail today. Now, I haven't opened it yet. You know, I love doing live videos. You never know what's going to happen. I'll just never forget one time I was doing a live and I inhaled a bug right during while I was talking. Well, I just went on hacking and coughing and, kept on with the live because this is life, okay? And I'm glad to be alive. So I'm going to open this for you live. I hope that what I ordered is in fact in here. Okay, let's see, what's the best way to open this? Well, I guess okay, well, it's packaged very, very nicely, isn't it? All right. And I will do this carefully because it is a canvas. So I certainly don't want to end up cutting into it with the scissors. I ordered this, actually what I did is I looked online to find the best price. And, oh, there were so many different prices. But I finally found the best price for what I wanted from fineartcanvas.com. And there are so many of these places that have similar names. It was very confusing. You know, I'd go from one website to another, and then I think, oh wait, did I already look at this one? Like there's fineart.com, there's greatbigcanvas.com. There's just so many different similar names. Anyhow, wow. Well, you can see that Fine Art, what did I say it's called? Is it Fine Art Canvas? Let me see here. Fineartcanvas.com. They really know how to package stuff. Okay. Well, we'll get to it. I think that this paper is probably the last layer. Let's see. Yeah, probably so. But now I really need to be careful. I'm the sort of person who, like if I'm in the past, if I was maybe sewing something to repair it, I'd end up sewing it to my skirt, something like that. So, I don't want to be too rough with this because I don't know how sturdy the canvas is. Oh, golly. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. And the back of it's very nice. This is very lightweight. Let's see. Does it have hanging things on it? I don't know. I thought it was supposed to, well, I guess I'll have to read and see if there's like a hanging thing included. But the way the back is made, you know, I could just put nails in or whatever and hang it from, suspend it from the wood. But this is very, very nice. This size, I believe, is 24 by 30. It makes me happy to look at it. I value things in my home that bring me happiness, and you know, they don't necessarily have to be expensive. If it makes me happy, you know, that's what's important. I'll give you an example of something that I have that makes me real happy. So, see this? This was a coffee bag that I got from a coffee roaster in town, coffee roasting company, that was just selling their old bags for $5 a piece. I mean, isn't that awesome? And we stretched it over. Actually, it cost more money to stretch it over some foam core and put hangers on it than it did for the actual bag. But, you know, you can see it's the real coffee bag. So put things in your home that bring you happiness, that make you feel joyful. Okay, I just wanted to share that with you. So that's fineartcanvas.com.